All right, we have another case from Poetic, and this time is their Guardian case for the OnePlus Nord N30. We've seen this packaging multiple times here on this channel. Poetic. I don't have to explain everything. Boom, let's go ahead and unbox it and take a look at this precious case here for your OnePlus Nord N30. Typical with Poetic, they just want to tell you thank you. Bam. Let's go ahead and pull the case out. Nice looking case. The one thing I like about Guardian cases is that it has a clear plastic back so you can view the color of your device. So if you skin your device, you can view the skin. But let's go ahead and put that aside. Now this does have a built-in screen protector. I will not use the built-in screen protector, but like always in Poetic fashion, they're going to give you the tray without the built-in screen protector. So they give you options whether you want to choose it to rock it with the built-in screen protector or not. You have the other tray to do so. So let's go ahead and put that aside. Grab the Nord N30. Now this portion of the display of the case goes on the top of the phone, just like that. You gotta place, it's almost like a tray. You place the phone in the tray, then you get the back portion, kind of angle it like that and just pop it in place, and then you just work the outer soft TPU around just to kind of snap it in place. Boom, look at that. Feels and looks freaking amazing. You do have a protective film there. Boom, look at that. OnePlus, look at that. Look at that. Now those fingerprints are on my device, not the case, but it does look phenomenal. This case looks absolutely fantastic. Fits very, very well. It's going to give you the protection you need at a minimal thickness. Look at that. It does not add too much bulk to your Nord N30. Feels great in hand, not slippery at all. But let's take a look at the power button here. The power button is nicely accessible, no issues with the power button, and you can easily unlock it as well. Boom, I love the cutout there. Look at that perfect cutout, perfect for your thumb, just nicely fits in there. Boom, you do have lip protection there around the camera module, so you are protected if you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface, and you're going to have the same amount of lip protection there all around this front display of the Nord N30. So you are protected if you lay your phone face down on a flat surface. You're not going to scratch up that beautiful display of yours. Now you do have cover buttons here for the volume rocker, and they're nice and tactile, very responsive. I love to hear the sound of that clickiness. On the bottom of the case, you do have cover ports, which I absolutely love. You got a cover port for your headphone jack and your charging port there, so lint or dust debris doesn't get all in there and mess those things up. But the cutouts for your mic and speakers are nice and precise. No issues with the cutouts whatsoever. And then you do have a cutout on top for the mic. But other than that, this case feels amazing. The protection's there, the options. If you don't have a screen protector, you can go ahead and use the one they provide. Ain't nothing wrong with this case. Very slim, minimal profile there, but gives you the protection. See-through black, see-through transparent back. Looks absolutely fantastic. If you're interested in the device, link will be in the description of the video. If you have any questions regarding this case, leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.